launched Note 6 as successor to the Note 5 in India. The new smartphone is touted to be an India exclusive and the latest offline offering from the Chinese company. With gold and gray color option, the Coolpad Note 6 will be available for purchase starting May 1st. The Coolpad Note 6 sports in Full HD 5.5-inch 1920 by 1080 pixels 2.5D curved glass display. It is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 435 chipset with Adreno 505 GPU. Memory-wise, it packs 3GB RAM with 32GB storage or 4GB RAM with 64GB storage. The storage is expandable up to 128GB with microSD card. Camera-wise, the phone has a 13MP rear camera with LED flash, f/2.2 aperture, and 6-piece lens. As mentioned, it has a dual front camera with an 8MP primary camera and a secondary 5MP camera with flash. The dual SIM phone runs on Android 7.1 Nougat and has a front-mounted fingerprint sensor. Connectivity options on the device include 4G VoLTE, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, GPS. The device is powered by a 4070 mAh battery. The Coolpad Note 6 is priced at 8,999 rupees for the 3GB RAM and 32GB storage version. The 4GB RAM with 64GB storage version costs 9,999 rupees. It comes in gold color and is available at 300 multi-brand stores across 8 states: Delhi NCR, Haryana, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra starting today.